So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to limit buy Polkadot coin, ticker symbol DOT or DOT in Canada here on the Wealthsimple application. So once you have Wealthsimple open up on your device, go into your crypto account. Once you're in your crypto account, scroll to the bottom left here and press on the magnifying glass. Then once you're in this screen, scroll down a little bit to where you can see trending categories and press on crypto right here. So right in between options and technology, press on crypto. Now to invest into Polkadot coin, ticker symbol DOT, just scroll down to where you can see it. So right here for me, ticker symbol DOT, Polkadot coin with the pink logo with the P, press on that right there, press on buy if you wish to purchase some investments. Now, if you want to change it from a market buy to a limit buy, go to the top here and press on market buy, and then change that to a limit buy. So it says choose the highest price per coin you're willing to pay, your limit. Your order will only complete when your limit is met on the market. I'll press on that right there. So as you can tell, the DOT price for Polkadot coin, so ticker symbol DOT for me is $7.34 Canadian. Now, if I wanted to change my limit to maybe $7.25, for example, I'll press on that right there. I will then press on continue. Now invest however much you want. So I'll just do the $1 for this example. I'll press on continue. Now to confirm your purchase, simply just press confirm order. But as you can tell, I have now set the limit price for this purchase to be at $7.25. So if the purchase price ever reaches or ever drops to $7.25, it'll then purchase it automatically. But if it doesn't, your order will just simply not be fulfilled and your money will be back into your account. So that is how you guys can limit buy Polkadot coin, ticker symbol DOT in Canada using Wealthsimple. I hope this video helped.